Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel. In today's video guys we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. So if you have a Porsche Cayenne from 2002 all the way until 2010, which is the first generation Cayenne, even if you have the one with the facelift, it will be very helpful video guys if you're trying to find the fuse for the cigarette lighter. Now we have like I think 6 cigarette lighters, so let me show you exactly what I'm talking about and we'll continue guys. Let me introduce you to the channel guys. We'll have more than 200 videos taking this car apart. We'll have anything from electrical work, quite a bit will be on our main channel, auto repair guys and world mechanics as well. Check it out guys. So let me show you where all your cigarette lighters are located, sockets. And we'll explain where to find the fuses for those. Now, you have one right here. This is one of them. Then, you have... Okay, let me get the light in there. Okay, you have 2 more. Down there. Okay, now, you have in the rear of the vehicle. Okay, you have one. Over there. So far we have 4, and then towards the back you have one on the left side here and one on the right side. Now, where are the fuses guys for those cigarette lighters? Okay, the fuses are located actually right here. Okay, and all we need is a plastic tool, okay, plastic panel removal tool, like, let's grab one, this one here, to remove that cover. All the tools and parts including replacement fuses guys could be found in the description of the video below. So how you open that thing, you just come here on the side, okay, and pop that cover open. Okay, on the back side you're going to be able to see the fuse numbers. Okay, just like that, and they start from the front. So now for that cigarette lighter that is located right here guys, for this cigarette lighter, okay, this one, we need to check fuse number 1. Okay, this is actually, okay, let me look at it this way. Cigarette lighter number 1 fuse, okay, will be the first one on the front, okay, the first row, the one on the very right, this 20 amp fuse. Okay, so you grab it and you replace it with a new one. Needs to be again 20 amp fuse. Okay, check it out in the description of the video below, will be listed where you can get them from. Okay, so this is the fuse for that. Now, the fuse guys for the front, okay, for the front right cigarette lighter, okay, for these guys right there, and for the rear right, okay. I'm talking all the way on the right, the one inside right here. Okay, this will be fuse number 3. Okay, fuse number 3. So if we come here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this fuse right here. So, this is a good fuse. Okay, we'll plug it in. Now, the fuse guys for the rear cigarette lighter here. Okay, for this one down there, and for the one that's located on the left side here, this is fuse number 5. Okay, fuse number 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this fuse right here. Perfect, so those are guys the 3 fuses for your 6 lighters. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.